It all began in March 1985 when a small group of staff from ICRAF came together with a shared vision to promote thrift, provide financial services, and offer loans to its members at fair interest rates. What started as a dream has now become a legacy. Let's hear from the founding members who laid the foundation of what Kimisitu is today.
Here at ICRAF, where I am a senior manager for leadership and training, I focus on capacity building for scientists. Yes, I'm a Kimisitu member, and I'm proudly a member. I've been a member again for over 20 years. I joined Kimisitu when I came here in ICRAF, where I was introduced to Kimisitu by one of the main founding members, Kennedy Auka. Some of you may remember him, and I recall it was during, I was very new, I think I was still on probation, and when we were having lunch, he shared with me about Kimisitu, and that's where I got the interest. And I really appreciate Kennedy Auka as one of the people who helped me to start the journey of saving. When I think about times of need, when maybe you need money quickly, there was an emergency loan which I benefited a lot from. When you think emergency, you need it now. And Kimisitu, at that time, whenever I applied for an emergency loan, I would get it according to what they've said. I think it used to be like in a day or two, and I'd get the money. Very efficient, on time, and also very responsive. I've also benefited from Kimisitu over the years, where I have developed a lot. I've taken development loans where I have built. I have topped up and taken mortgages from the bank, for example, and Kimisitu has come in to help me to pay off. So I can say, when I look back, I am where I am mainly because of Kimisitu when it comes to financial support. Whenever I've approached Kimisitu, I always feel that they don't just see me as, member number so and so, but as a human being, as a person who needs support, and in line with that tagline. I really appreciate that. And so whenever I am in need, I'm always very comfortable and confident when I approach Kimisitu. Also giving us ideas on how you can do this, what you need to, maybe you have more than 2 loans, you can put it together, helping us to have it. Kimisitu is also solution oriented.
I also joined ICRAF in 1987. As you know, Kimisitu is an ICRAF thing. That's how it started. The rest of the fellows are definitely joined thereafter. So it was a small unit, started like, you can call it a cooperative, but a small one within the organization. Then I think the others got invited to join much later, I think with the leadership of Kennedy, Ernest, and the others. Me, I joined in 1989, because I joined ICRAF in 1987, but it took a bit of time. I've been a member all through today.
We started when we were very few. We were less than 10 members, and I feel so great because now I can see we are more than 20,000. That is a great achievement. I remember when we were trying to get the name Kimisitu, it was so difficult because we were trying to translate agroforestry into something that could, fit in Kiswahili. And we checked very many names, but we landed on Kimisitu, and I think we didn't make a mistake. My first loan was on development, and with that I was able to buy a shamba. And from that, it has really helped me. And we've continued to borrow up to today, and I feel very proud because it is one product that has assisted not only me, but most of us who have joined Kimisitu. Most of the members who started Kimisitu actually used to encourage each other, let's go and get a loan. Nobody should ever be in Kimisitu without a loan. So that loan, development loan, has really assisted us a lot. I love development loans.
Kimisitu Dt Sacco is now 40 years. This year, the year 2025, we celebrate our 40th anniversary. We welcome all our members, our board and our staff, our partners and our peers in the industry. We thank you for your support for the journey, for the milestones that we've been able to achieve together. We could not be able to do all of this alone, but we give all our thanks back to you. We have come from far. We've seen the Kimisitu Sacco brand grow. 4 years ago, we opened up our bond, and currently we serve members from all walks of life, from individual members who are in employment, members who are also in business. We have corporate membership and also chamas from all types of chamas. As we celebrate our 40th anniversary, we are glad that we have opened up our bond and we accept members from all walks of life, both locally and also Kenyans living and working in the diaspora. We are truly grateful to our members, our staff and our board, and also our peers in the industry, as well as the different partners that we have that have been able to come on board to ensure that our services and also the products that we give to our members are truly a reflection of the transformative times that we've had since the time that Kimisitu started. From the time we started in 1985, we have transformed the lives of many of our members from all walks of life. Currently, with the 14,000 active members, we have seen our members being able to transform their lives to achieve both their financial, social, and economic empowerment. We truly commit ourselves as partners to championing the financial independence of our members. This has been seen through the different testimonials that our members are able to give because of how our products and services have been able to transform their lives. We welcome you to celebrate with us as we turn 40 years old, and we are truly grateful to you.
We are very happy today celebrating our 40th anniversary since we came into being in the year 1985. We started small, and we started from ICRAF, where we were hosted for a period of time before we outgrew the space that we had and moved out. We went to our Mamlaka offices again. From there, we've been able to move. We were able to move to our own offices at Woodlands Road. And again, with time again in the year 2021, we moved to AEA Plaza, where we were also able to acquire our state-of-the-art offices where we are currently based. So again, we have our satellite office in the Western region that is located in Kisumu, and that has been part of our growth over time. We have grown from a membership of 6 to over 14,000 active membership in Kimisitu, and our membership is spread all over the world in 70 countries. So we are very glad today celebrating our growth, celebrating our transformation, and again, during all these years that we've been championing financial independence. So again, we have actually been able to transform so many lives, empower financially so many of our members. We've created investment opportunities. We've added value to them. So in terms of economic empowerment, we've come up with products that are actually help them to actually be able to build themselves financially. So we are fighting for financial independence, whereby we also train our members on financial management skills that can actually enable them manage well their finances. We also provide housing facilities, mortgage facilities for our members through Makawalisi, where we have we've invested over 2 billion to our members to be able to acquire housing, which is a basic need and a part of financial independence. So over the time, we have had major milestones. We have achieved major milestones. We have product diversification. We have various products that we actually have. We have had digital transformation, where we have moved digital from paperless. We have moved from pushing papers to basically working online. So in terms of technological advances, we have done quite well, and this has been evidenced by the CIO Awards that we've won the gold mark for consecutively 2 years, that is 2023 and 2024. So again, we've actually have electronic data management system, just to augment our online or rather our digital transformation, and therefore this has also been able to the high improved turnaround time for service that we give to our members. So again, mentioned that we won the CIO Awards for 2 consecutive years. We have our Kimisitu Money app that really our members are actually able to transact their business from wherever they are, from their convenience, and this has made it transaction be very easy, seamless, and again, that has really supported our business and also saved cost and time in terms of traveling and also terms of paperwork and also the shortened turnaround time. So again, as Kimisitu, we are ISO 9001 2015 certified, and we have been recertified. We were first certified, then we were recertified. And again, this is basically looking at the management systems that we actually have. Again, with these audits that are actually coming up, pointing at the efficiency in terms of the delivery of service that we give to our members. So over time, Kimisitu also has come up with subsidiaries. The first that we actually had was Kimisitu Investment PLC, which have actually grown to its own entity with its own shareholders and also its own operations. We also have Kimisitu Insurance Agency that is taking care of our members' insurance services needs as an agency. We also started our Kimisitu Foundation to actually be able to support the climate initiatives that is there, given our name of Kimisitu, where with an acronym of Kilimo na Misitu. So we are coming from that space, and environment and climate change initiatives are very important for us, and therefore the foundation is also helping us more in terms of brand visibility. The foundation is also helping us do more organized, CSR, as a Kimisitu Sacco. So again, for the foundation, there are so many activities that have been lined up. We've actually done trainings on waste management and turning waste into money, and a lot more is actually coming up. So of course, Kimisitu has had challenges over the years. Kimisitu came into regulation in the year 2020, and of course with regulations, there are prudential ratios and standards that we'll actually have to achieve, which of course we have achieved all of them except for institutional capital adequacy ratio, which we are looking forward to achieving the shortest time feasible. So again, the tax regime in Kenya, and then again this has also affected the surplus, the amount of money that members can actually be able to spend, and some money that the members are actually able to save. And of course, this is after also COVID-19, the effects that are still there to date of COVID-19, though we were actually able to navigate. We were actually able to navigate the effect of COVID, and as it is now, we are actually stable and moving. So other than that, we know the changes that are actually coming up in terms of funding for the NGOs, especially you say defunding funded NGOs, which again as Kimisitu, we have drawn our first membership were drawn from the NGO sector. So again, we are doing the best. We are actually diversifying various classes of members that we have within Kimisitu, just to ensure that we manage the concentration risk that we may face from having one class of membership. So so far we've done well. We are stable financially. We have made sure that the reports that we actually give are standard reports. We actually made sure that our reports are verified. So as an institution, we're very strong, and the future is bright. Looking ahead into the future, Kimisitu, we are committed to continue the expansion and enhancing our member services. We are member-centric. We want to ensure that our members are happy. We want to look at the products that we actually give our members to ensure that we foster inclusivity, the product that can fit every Kenyan. Because looking at our vision is that we have everyone who wants financial independence in joining Kimisitu. So that is very key for us. We also aware in terms of the future, the artificial intelligence for us, which actually we are envisioning predictive service delivery, as well as customized products and services, as well as able to predict our customers' needs. So again, in terms of partnerships and collaboration, this is an area that is very key for us. So again, we are looking at the diaspora. We want to collaborate with the diaspora. We want to onboard more diaspora members also to enjoy our products. And as well, we also partnering with other entities just to give or to provide investment opportunities to all our members. We understand that there are various investment opportunities, so which if our members are able to pick up, then it will actually grow them financially. We're also looking into partnering with our members who are also in business. This is to ensure that we buy Kimisitu and build Kimisitu.